In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT from your OKX wallet to the OKX exchange. This process is straightforward and will allow you to manage your assets efficiently. First, open the OKX app on your device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet, as a stable connection will facilitate the transfer process. Once the app is open, locate and tap on Wallet or Web3 Wallet at the bottom of the screen. This will direct you to your wallet overview where you can see your available assets. Next, find and tap on USDT to access your Tether holdings. This will display your USDT balance and additional options related to this cryptocurrency. Now you need to initiate the transfer to the exchange. Tap on the transfer button, which is usually located prominently on the screen. This action will allow you to specify the details of the transfer. In the transfer interface, you will see from and to options. Ensure that from is set to wallet and to is set to exchange. This setup confirms the direction of the transfer. After confirming the transfer direction, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send to the exchange. It is important to check your available balance to ensure you are not exceeding it. Once you have entered the correct amount, tap confirm to proceed with the transfer. Once you confirm the transfer, the funds will move instantly to the exchange. Depending on network conditions, you may see a loading indicator briefly, but this usually completes quickly. To verify that the transaction was successful, navigate to the OKX exchange section. Tap on exchange and then select assets. Here you will find your USDT balance reflected accurately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.